Let's see how much of this, the CarPro Descale, which is an acid car shampoo, will be able to remove during pre-wash without contact in a foam cannon at a 1:10 dilution ratio. So let's check it out. By the way, guys, there will be no pre-rinsing. I'm gonna go straight up foaming. Here we go. So now I'm gonna let the product sit on the panel, do its job, helping emulsify, lift up some of the dirt, and then we're gonna come back, rinse it off, and see how much we were able to get rid of without a contact wash. All right, guys, so I did let it sit for 5 minutes. As you can see, I'm working in my studio, so I'm able to let it sit for a little longer than I would if I was working outside, and let's see what we got. All right, so let's do some comparison. I just rinsed off this panel, and as you can see, there is still a lot of dirt on it, of course. Without a contact wash, we're not gonna be able to get rid of everything. Now, this is the panel that needs to be rinsed still. It did a pretty decent job, in my opinion. Check this out. This is the panel that hasn't been rinsed yet. A lot dirtier than that panel. Again, here it is, guys. Close up. Okay, this is after rinsing it off. Here's a close-up again. So you can definitely notice the difference. The Descale was able to remove some of the dirt and grime. Here's another demonstration, guys. This is how it looks like before I rinse it off. Now let's go ahead and rinse it off and see how it's going to look like after. Here's how it looks like now after rinsing it off. A lot better. So I'm gonna do a little comparison for you guys. This is the side that has been rinsed off. And here is the side that has not been rinsed off yet. The next step before the contact wash will be to do a quick chemical decon. This vehicle has been ceramic coated with G-Technique products, so the goal here is try to unclog the coating as much as possible and bring it back to life. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and foam it again at a 1:10 dilution ratio with CarPro Descale, and then do the contact wash with a 1:100 dilution ratio in a bucket. Okay, so here we go. I was definitely able to restore the self-cleaning properties from the ceramic coating because I can see the coating trying to repel the shampoo. I will give you a close-up in just a moment. As you can see, the ceramic coating has survived and it has restored its self-cleaning properties. It's repelling the shampoo. All right, so I finished washing the vehicle. Now let's see if I was able to restore the self-cleaning properties from the ceramic coating that was applied in this vehicle. Again, I applied Crystal Serum Light and Exo V5 from G-Technique back in November 2023. So let's see how it is performing. Here we go. There you have it. Quick sheeting. Let's see if I can show you some of the water beadings. There it is, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe if you enjoy watching my videos. That would support me tremendously. And hopefully, I will see you on the next one. Take care, guys. Thank you.